In this tutorial, we'll be taking a closer look at the sample mod and see how a vehicle XML file is built. To do this, we'll mainly be looking at the Bureau 6135 XML and Bureau 6135 i3D files. First, we open the XML file in Notepad++ and the i3D file in the Giants editor. Now let's take a closer look at the XML file. Starting from the top, we have the XML header. This is essential, as without a header, the game will not treat it as an XML file. Then we need to specify the vehicle type. This determines what functions the vehicle will have. All original vehicle types can be used. You can also use mods to add more vehicle types and define your own functions. After that, the i3D file of the mod is loaded, with the path always being given relative to the mod's folder. Therefore, it is generally recommended to have the XML and i3D files saved in the same folder. This is the information of the length and breadth of the vehicle. The attributes width offset and length offset also set the center of the vehicles relative to 0, which is especially useful when buying a vehicle. The list of components determines the physical components of the vehicles. The attribute count then also determines the number of components. There's a separate entry for each component, component 1, component 2, etc. With the optional center of mass attribute, we determine the center of mass of the object. The Giants editor provides us with an initial reference point for where the center of gravity is located. In the Attributes panel, we select the Rigid Body panel and then find the center of mass field at the bottom, where we can see the center of gravity of the different physical bodies that make up the vehicle. However, in a real tractor, the mass distribution is not uniform. For example, the weight of the engine has a stronger influence and therefore we'll need to further customize the center of gravity.